Explore Thailand in 7 days, like a pro. Join me as I try to explore Thailand in just 7 days like a pro. Can I hit all the best spots and avoid the tourist traps? In this video, you'll discover a week-long itinerary that will help you experience the best of Thailand like a pro, from bustling Bangkok to serene islands. Many travelers struggle to find a balanced itinerary that covers both cultural experiences and relaxation, often missing out on hidden gems. I've seen friends return from their Thailand trips, exhausted from trying to cram in too many activities, or worse, feeling like they've missed out on the real Thailand. The truth is, with a little planning, you can have the best of both worlds. You can experience the vibrant cities, stunning beaches, and rich cultural heritage that Thailand has to offer, all while leaving some room for spontaneity and relaxation. So, how do you strike that balance? The key is to prioritize. You can't see everything, but you can see the best of everything. Identify the must-visit attractions, the local cuisine you have to try, and the hidden gems that will make your trip truly unforgettable. And that's exactly what we'll do in this video. We'll break down a 7-day itinerary that will take you on an unforgettable journey through Thailand. One of the biggest challenges of planning a trip to Thailand is navigating transportation. With so many options available, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll share some expert tips on how to get around Thailand like a pro, from buses to trains to taxis. You'll explore each day of the itinerary, including must-visit attractions, local cuisine to try, and tips for navigating transportation in Thailand. From the majestic Grand Palace in Bangkok to the stunning beaches of Koh Samui, we'll take you on a journey through the best of Thailand. You'll learn how to try all the local specialties, from spicy tom yum soup to fresh seafood on the beach. And of course, we'll share some insider tips on how to avoid the tourist traps and find the hidden gems that only the locals know about. On day 3, you'll take a short flight to Chiang Mai, a cultural and spiritual hub in northern Thailand. Here, you'll explore the ancient city walls, visit the stunning Doi Suthep Temple, and experience the vibrant night bazaar. And of course, no trip to Chiang Mai would be complete without trying some of the local street food. On day 5, you'll head to the beautiful islands of Koh Samui and Koh Tao, where you'll relax on the stunning beaches, snorkel in the crystal-clear waters, and experience the laid-back island lifestyle. And if you're traveling during the right time of year, you might even catch the incredible Loy Krathong Festival, where locals release floating lanterns onto the river. The highlight of your journey will be revealed as you visit a breathtaking beach or a unique festival that encapsulates the essence of Thailand. Whether it's the stunning Maya Bay, made famous by the movie The Beach, or the colorful Songkran Water Festival, we'll take you to the most unforgettable experiences that Thailand has to offer. You'll also learn how to make the most of your time in Thailand, from budgeting to language tips, so you can relax and enjoy your journey. And of course, we'll share some of our favorite accommodations, from budget-friendly guest houses to luxury resorts. To wrap up, we'll recap the key destinations and experiences that make this 7-day trip unforgettable, ensuring you feel prepared for your adventure. If you found this itinerary helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Check out our next video for travel tips and tricks.